Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your eBay account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your eBay account online on the web browser, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in ebay.com like this and hit enter. And after that you will be on this page, which is the home page of eBay itself. Now to log into your eBay account, you can see the sign in button on the top left corner of your screen, or my eBay over here. Now to log into your account, let's click on sign in the top left corner, because it says the sign in itself. Now to log into your eBay account, you'll be required to enter your email or your username over here like this, and after that click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, and then you'll be able to see the sign in button. Click on sign in to log into your eBay account from over here, which is the login page of eBay. Or if you want to continue to your eBay account with your Facebook or Google or your Apple ID, simply click on one of these three links to which you want to log in. Let's go for the Facebook for instance, and after clicking on that link, you'll be required to log into your social media platform or your emails from over here. And if after logging into your social media platform or Google or Apple, you'll be logged into eBay with these accounts on your eBay. And this is how you log into your eBay account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.